Hello everyone, and as always, welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today I'm showing you how to make a mushroom Swiss burger. One of the reasons burgers are always so delicious is because they're so customizable. And while I love some good toppings, I also want them to complement the beef, not overpower it. That's why mushrooms and onions are perfect. Now when grilling season comes around and the whole neighborhood is ready to have a barbecue dinner in the backyard, these grilled burgers are the best option with their brioche buns, delicious caramelized onions, sautéed mushrooms, and Swiss cheese. One bite of this mushroom Swiss burger and we guarantee you'll fall in love. But before we start this flavorful get-together, be sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap on the notification bell. More delicious recipes are to come and we don't want you to miss out on any. Now, let's get cooking. Before we prepare our burger patties, let's crank up the heat of our grill to medium. We want to start grilling as soon as we form our ground beef mix into our delicious burger patties. To make this mix, we will need a large bowl. Then, we will add 1.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. Let's then combine everything together. After the mix is complete, let's form the ground beef into 4 burger patties and add them to the grill for 8 minutes on one side. While the patties are grilling, we're going to prepare our topping of mushrooms and onions. For these, we will add in a skillet over medium-high heat 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 pound of mushrooms. Let's cook for about 5 minutes. Then reduce the heat to medium and add 1 sweet yellow onion sliced, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Cook for another 5 minutes or until the onion slices are softened and browned. Once the 8-minute grilling time for the burger patties has passed, let's flip each patty and grill the other side for more 6 to 8 minutes or until cooked through. Top the burger patties with 2 slices of Swiss cheese and allow it to melt while the patties are cooking. Remove the burgers from the grill and place each one of them on a brioche bun. Top with the sautéed mushroom and onions, and of course, enjoy. And just like that, we made an American favorite with a touch of French cuisine. This will be one of those dishes you will want to make every day from now on. If you enjoyed viewing this recipe, check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes for many more flavorful recipes. Please, if you haven't already, support the channel by leaving a like on this video and clicking the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching and we hope to see you again cooking along with us at Cozymeal Studios. See you next time.